Hey there, fellow testers! Today, we're diving into the exciting world of test automation. Our mission? To automate ticket booking on the SpiceJet website using Cucumber and Selenium WebDriver. Ready to get started? Let's jump right in. So let's roll up our sleeves and start coding. Trust me, it's going to be fun. First things first, we need to set up our project using Maven. Open your favorite IDE and create a new Maven project named SpiceJet Automation. Maven will create a basic project structure. Edit the pom.xml file to add dependencies for Cucumber Java, Cucumber Junit, and Selenium WebDriver. Save the pom.xml file and Maven will automatically download these dependencies for you. Once it's done, you're ready to start writing your tests. Now that our project is set up, let's create our first feature file using Gherkin syntax. In your project, create a new directory under src/test/resources named features. Create a new file called SpiceJetTicketBooking.feature. Add the following content. Feature: SpiceJet ticket booking scenario. Book a ticket from Delhi to Bengaluru. Given: I am on the SpiceJet homepage when I search for a flight from Delhi to Bengaluru. Then I should see the search results. And I close the browser. Save your feature file. Congratulations! You've just written your first Gherkin scenario. Next, we'll bring this scenario to life with step definitions. Now that we have our feature file and step definitions, it's time to run our test. Create a new Java class in your test directory named TestRunner. Right-click on the TestRunner class and select Run TestRunner. Your IDE will start executing the test. You should see a browser window open, navigate to the SpiceJet website, and then close. In your console, you'll see the test results. Congratulations! You've just run your first automated test for SpiceJet Ticket.